Hi, I'm Brian, and I'm auditioning for the role of lead singer in your band. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. So obviously I would be the lead singer of my band, Mary. Oh, duh. If you change your mind, I'm the first in line. Honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me. If you need me, let me know and I'll be around. If you got no place to go and you're feeling down, there's the Pneumonia. Yeah. So you hire me? I don't know what else to say other than the question of the week. And I already answered that, so I'm just singing. Singing for them something. Singing for the other somethings. Singing it out. Oh no. Oh no, this isn't even my banana. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do about this? Oh boy. Do you think a staple would be too obvious? I'm just gonna leave it there and deny. That's where I found it, so... Yum, 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 yum. I don't even like coffee at all, but I love this mug. Look how cool it is. You know? Yeah. Okay, so... look at this! So I'm taking this really awful class called Core, which we have to take. And I did this really awful project that we had to do. And we were supposed to, like, I don't know, make a brand for ourselves. Look! Never mind, I'll find 91 for you. There we go. 91. What? And I also did a radio talk show thing for my media performance class, which I also got a 91 on. Whee! And I took a digital imaging exam yesterday, which I am pretty sure I got nowhere close to a 91 on. But that's okay, because who needs digital imaging anyway? This guy does. Oh well, I'll deal with it. That was so scary. Oh my god. Why did that happen? Why? I'm glad I caught that on film though. That was awful. Oh my god. Okay, well that's it for me because I'm probably supposed to be evacuating. So I will see you guys next week.